Chiliz value equivalent to 2.5172 rands a coin. The present cost range, 2.5154 2.5696. The earlier day close, 2.5392. The change was 0.0220. 0.87%. Converse rate, ZAR to CHZ. Chiliz cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, February 20. Cost 2.64 rands, high 2.82, low 2.46. Chiliz conjecture on Tuesday, February 21. Cost 2.56 rands, high 2.74, low 2.38. Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, February 22. Cost 2.74 rands, high 2.93, low 2.55. Chiliz conjecture on Thursday, February 23. Cost 2.85 rands, high 3.05, low 2.65. Chiliz cost expectation on Friday, February 24. Cost 2.74 rands, high 2.93, low 2.55. In multi-week Chiliz figure on Monday, February 27. Cost 2.68 rands, high 2.87, low 2.49. Chiliz cost expectation on Tuesday, February 28. Cost 2.71 rands, high 2.90, low 2.52. Chiliz figure on Wednesday, Walk 1. Cost 2.72 rands, high 2.91, low 2.53. Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday, Walk 2. Cost 2.38 rands, high 2.55, low 2.21. Chiliz figure on Friday, Walk 3. Cost 2.32 rands, high 2.48, low 2.16. In about 14 days Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, Walk 6. Cost 2.69 rands, high 2.88, low 2.50. Chiliz figure on Tuesday, Walk 7. Cost 2.63 rands, high 2.81, low 2.45. Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, Walk 8. Cost 2.55 rands, high 2.73, low 2.37. Chiliz figure on Thursday, Walk 9. Cost 2.54 rands, high 2.72, low 2.36. Chiliz cost expectation on Friday, Walk 10. Cost 2.56 rands, high 2.74, low 2.38. In 3 weeks Chiliz conjecture on Monday, Walk 13. Cost 2.61 rands, high 2.79, low 2.43. Chiliz cost expectation on Tuesday, Walk 14. Cost 2.75 rands, high 2.94, low 2.56. Chiliz conjecture on Wednesday, Walk 15. Cost 2.79 rands, high 2.99, low 2.59. Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday, Walk 16. Cost 2.53 rands, high 2.71, low 2.35. Chiliz conjecture on Friday, Walk 17. Cost 2.66 rands, high 2.85, low 2.47. In about a month Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, Walk 20. Cost 2.64 rands, high 2.82, low 2.46. Chiliz conjecture on Tuesday, Walk 21. Cost 2.74 rands, high 2.93, low 2.55. Chiliz value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Chiliz cost expectation for February 2023. At the outset cost at 2.32 rands, excessive cost 3.05, while low cost 2.19. The found the middle value of cost 2.57. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 2.71. Change for February 16.8%. Chiliz gauge for Walk 2023. To start with cost at 2.71 rands, exorbitant cost 3.07, while low cost 2.16. The found the middle value of cost 2.70. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 2.87. Change for spring 5.9%. Chiliz cost expectation for April 2023. To start with cost at 2.87 rands, exorbitant cost 3.56, while low cost 2.87. The found the middle value of cost 3.16. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 3.33. Change for April 16.0%. Chiliz gauge for May 2023. To start with cost at 3.33 rands, exorbitant cost 3.33, while low cost 2.60. The found the middle value of cost 3.02. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 2.80. Change for May 15.9%. Chiliz cost expectation for June 2023. To start with cost at 2.80 rands, exorbitant cost 2.80, while low cost 2.19. The found the middle value of cost 2.54. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 2.35. Change for June 16.1%. Chiliz figure for July 2023. Initially cost at 2.35 rands, excessive cost 2.39. While low cost 2.07, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.26. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 2.23. Change for July 5.1%. Chiliz cost expectation for August 2023. Initially cost at 2.23 rands, excessive cost 2.74. While low cost 2.23, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.44. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 2.56, change for August 14.8%. Chiliz figure for September 2023, initially cost at 2.56 rands, excessive cost 3.18. While low cost 2.56, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.82. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 2.97. Change for September 16.0%. Chiliz cost expectation for October 2023. Initially cost at 2.97 rands, excessive cost 3.69. While low cost 2.97, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.27. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 3.45, change for October 16.2%. Chiliz conjecture for November 2023. At the outset cost at 3.45 rands, excessive cost 3.45, while low cost 2.70. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.13. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.90. Change for November 15.9%. Chiliz cost expectation for December 2023. At the outset cost at 2.90 rands, excessive cost 2.90, while low cost 2.27. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.63. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.44. Change for December 15.9%. Chiliz conjecture for January 2024. At the outset cost at 2.44 rands, excessive cost 2.44, while low cost 1.91. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.21. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.05, change for January 16.0%. Chiliz cost expectation for February 2024. At the outset cost at 2.05 rands, excessive cost 2.55. While low cost 2.05, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.26. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.38. Change for February 16.1%. ZAR to CHZ swapping scale equivalent to 0.3973 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.3892 to 0.3975. The earlier days nearby 0.